Virgin achieved rapid growth in a new market using the strength of its brand. It used the company's core competence. What is a core competence and how do you identify it? Gary Hamel looks at Virgin and another international brand, Disney. He goes on to describe a test of core competence with 3 elements. Is it important to the customer? Can it be easily copied by competitors? And does it lead to other opportunities?
How has Virgin managed to go from record stores into the airline business, into colas, into insurance products? I would argue Virgin has been leveraging a competence really around their understanding of young people, next generation. How do you take stodgy businesses and make them unstodgy? That's a competence at Virgin. Identifying what your core competencies are is an essentially creative task. There are 3 fundamental tests of whether you're talking about a core competence or not. The first test is, does it create customer value? Is it something that is very important in the customer experience? The second test is it something that's difficult to imitate? Is it something that competitors would have a hard time duplicating? The third test is it something that can provide a gateway to new opportunities? Can we imagine ways of exploiting this in other markets? If it meets those 3 tests, it's probably a core competence. An interesting example of a company that I believe really does understand its core competencies is Disney. Disney has gone from theme parks to movies to retailing to ship cruise lines, now adult education, retailing. I said, Disney has a core competence in storytelling and character development. If Disney defined themselves as theme parks, that's kind of the end of the story. Even Euro Disney has had a pretty tough time. But when they define themselves as storytelling and as characters, and you say, where can I deploy that competence? Suddenly a range of new opportunities opens up to you.
The power of the brand is considerable. Identifying core competencies behind the brand helps companies to grow their existing business and enter new markets.